Hi everyone, it's me. We are on our way back to Walmart. They called me. It took about an hour. The battery was bad, so they replaced it. Said it wasn't going to cost anything, so hopefully he's right. Because they said it was a warranty issue, so they replaced it.
Thank you.
So now we are on our way to go pick up the car. They said an hour and a half to 2.5 hours, but it only took about an hour because I guess the other people didn't show up, so they were able to get mine in right away. And Cujo thinks he tries to be Cujo, all because he saw that other dog. The fact that he does that in my car too.
Yeah. I noticed he managed to even bring in a piece of dog food kibble back there. So I don't know how he managed to bring kibble in.
Well, he's a strange dog. What can I say? Really? I heard that. Did you see what he did?
No, I'm driving.
He looked up, looked around, and went.
Oh.
That was his way of saying we were just in this area a little bit ago.
Well, there's not too many different ways to get there.
Big goofball. Feel better now that I ate. Had that leftover pizza that I had for almost a week now. Had some of that. I don't even know if he finished off that. So there's how many slices left? 2, 1, 4? 4 slices left.
Yeah. I didn't count.
You didn't count.
I didn't count.
Well, how many did you have?
2. So how many did you put in there?
Oh.
Well, there's 2 left, so there. Why didn't you count it when you put it in there?
I just stuck it in there and wrapped it up.
Exactly, and I unwrapped it, took 2 out, and put it back in. Well, I didn't count it either.
So we still got some leftover pizza. It's lasted about a week. Because I had about 5 slices, but I didn't eat all 5. I had like 4.5, and I gave the other half to the rest of the dog. Gave the rest to the dog, so.
Yes, we have leftover lefties.
Really?
Yeah, that's what it is. It'd be leftover lefties.
I am loading some videos, everyone. Well, I'm going to stop right here. Please like, please subscribe, and I will talk to you guys soon. Have a good day. Bye.